Salam everyone. Just a real quick, I just wanted to say Eid Mubarak to everybody. I hope you enjoyed today with your family and loved ones. Unfortunately for me, it's another day filled with frustration because I still don't have any information about my mom, Dr. Gulshan Abbas. It's been 21 months. We don't know where she is. She was taken from her home in Urumqi in September 2018. Since then, we completely lost contact with her. I also wanted to say Eid Mubarak to my mom. I know she can't hear me, but I hope she can feel me, and I hope she stays strong for me. And I hope you guys can share this video, help me raise awareness. Together we can bring her home.